Hey YouTube, it's the Bam again. It's that time of the month again where we open up the pro wrestling crate. So let's get into it. Y'all need to check out Franchise Kicks on YouTube. He's the one that turned me onto this box, and I've been getting it for like five or six months now, and I like it. So again, thank you to Franchise Kicks, aka Mr. Clint. So give you guys the first peek to see what's in there. Set it over here, and then I'll show you guys as I pull this stuff out. So in this box, you get some stuff, and then you get 2 t-shirts, and me, I'm a bigger guy, so I don't remember the price points on this because it just comes off my credit card. But I get two 4XL t-shirts. So let's start with the first t-shirt. Here is our cheat sheet. I don't want to look at that side. I'll show you guys. You guys can look at it before I do. We'll figure out what next month's box is next. Okay, let's go with the first t-shirt. First t-shirt is, I'll turn it right. Show you guys first. This is Hangman Adam Page writing. Looks like a Ghost Rider themed t-shirt. So like two of my favorite things is comic books and wrestling. So yeah. And it's a 4XL, like I was saying. Let's see what else we got in this box. I don't want the t-shirt yet. Let's see. Micro Brawler, right? Oh man, we got Conan. Conan's a Mexican wrestler. He's been in WCW, WWE, I believe, and he's made a couple appearances on AEW. Let's see what else we got in here. What is this? Oh, we got I forgot what to call these backpacks. Drawstring backpack, and it's a Road Warrior workout, and that's Animal. Nice. Let's see. Monthly sticker. Dude love. Have mercy. Let's see what else is in here. Monthly pen. Feels like a comic book. We'll do the comic book next. The pen is, I believe, Dusty Rhodes. Try to get that where there's no glare on there. Dusty Rhodes. See, this was the comic book. Oh, it's something with Lawler's Kingston Hill. Well, yeah. But that's Jerry King Lawler. Okay, let's see. There's the t-shirt, and best part, the autograph left. Oh, what do we got? Oh, this looks like the Nasty Boys t-shirt. Let's Get Nasty, the Nasty Boys. Sags and Knobs. Love that. That's some old 80s or 80s and 90s wrestling right there. And again, it's a 4XL. Okay. Now, last item. Is the autograph. Wonder who we got this month. Find out. Look. That is. Well, I'm not sure what his name is, but he's part of. Oh, it's Doc Gallows from. Shoot, I can't remember the tag team that he wrestles with. But that's Doc Gallows. So, on a cheat sheet, we got Ghost Rider Hangman Adam Page t-shirt, Spray Paint Nasty Boys t-shirt, Conan the Micro Brawler, Jerry the King Lawler, Headlock Comics, Luke Gallows autograph 8x10, Dusty Rhodes the pen, Animal Drawstring bag, and Dude Loves sticker. And if you want to know what next month's box is going to be, that's going to be it. So, like I said again, and I think I said this in another video, thank you to Franchise Kicks getting me turned on to this box. And like I said, I've gotten it like 5 or 6 months now. I've gotten like, I think I have like 12 t-shirts now. Because you get, in this box here, like I said, I don't remember price point, but you get 2 t-shirts out of this box. To me, that's what I like, is t-shirts. So again, this has been the BAM, and have a good evening.